Spain's economy has undergone a deep transformation in recent years, and the external sector is one of the areas that best reflects it. When internal demand dropped following the 2008 financial crisis, Spanish companies started to search for new markets. At present, the internationalization process of Spain's business fabric is consolidating. In macroeconomic terms, we can observe how exports are gaining importance. Their weight in the GDP has increased by nearly 10 points in just a decade, up to 34% in 2017. On the other hand, the weight of imports is currently at a similar level to that of 2007, around 31% of GDP. This figure is particularly striking in the current context of significant recovery of internal demand, as historical trends would tell us that imports should be higher and eventually erode the current account balance. However, that situation is not taking place. Spain's current account balance is nowadays positive for the 5th consecutive year. In addition to the limited growth of imports mentioned earlier, one of the keys is the strength of exports of both goods and services. Exports of goods have maintained a significant momentum, and this has compensated the increase in the energy bill caused by rising oil prices. In addition, it is worth highlighting the positive evolution of services, both touristic and non-touristic. Foreign tourism is breaking records year after year. In 2017, Spain received 81.2 million foreign tourists, 8.6% more than in the previous year. Exports related to other services are also worth mentioning, since they are growing at even higher rates than tourism. Some of the more remarkable exports are those related to high value-added sectors, such as telecommunications and IT, and particularly business consulting and technical services related to commerce. In CaixaBank Research, we expect the robustness of the external sector to continue. First, the favorable environment of the global economy, and particularly the Eurozone, Spain's main trade partner, should continue to drive exports. In addition, beyond the positive economic outlook, we must bear in mind that the rise of exports is also explained by gains in competitiveness in recent years, as well as a greater diversification of exports, both in terms of destination countries and the range of exported products. In this regard, the number of regularly exporting companies, that is, business which undertook an internationalization process and have continued to export after 4 years, is consolidating. As for tourism, the latest figures indicate that it continues to enjoy an excellent health. Nevertheless, there are also certain headwinds to be taken into account. A rise of oil prices will increase the energy goods deficit, and imports of goods and services will continue to increase as a consequence of the recovery of domestic economic activity. Taking all these elements into account, in CaixaBank Research, we expect the external sector to continue its strong growth and Spanish business to consolidate their presence in international markets.